Hi guys, welcome to RK IT Help Desk. In last session, we learned about how to create snapshot of AWS EC2 EBS Volume. In this session, we are going to learn about how to restore the data from snapshot. Means how to create a volume from snapshot and attach to EC2 instance and copy the data. Okay. So before start the session, if you are watching videos first time on my channel, please do subscribe and hit on bell icon so you will get the latest uploaded videos notification. So we'll start the session now. Open any browser and log in with AWS account. Okay. Open EC2 services. EC2. We are on EC2 dashboard. There is no running instance. Okay. We have only one snapshot here. We have a snapshot and we will create a value from the snapshot and attach that value to new instance. So select the snapshot, go to actions and create value from snapshot. Okay. Make sure this availability zone and we are going to create one new instance that instance availability zone also same. Okay. Just add the tag name restore from snap one. Click on create value. Successfully created value. If you go to this value, note down the value. Values. Restore from snap one. This is value ID and state is available and availability zone is US is 1A. Okay. Now we'll create a one EC2 instances. Launch instance. We'll create a Windows free tier. Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base free tier eligible. Just select it. Okay, I will choose a T2 micro instance. So it will not charge to me because I am using a free tier account. Click on next configure instance details. I want only one instance. I don't want to increase it. Okay, and we'll go with default VPC and we'll change here. We'll select here US East 1A availability zone. So we can easily attach that restored snap volume. Just click on next add storage. I'll keep default options. Next add tags. Add tag. Key as a name. RK win survey 04. Click on next configure security group. I will choose existing security group. Review and launch. I will select the existing key pair. Acknowledge it. Launch instance. New instances. It is on pending status. It will take some time for get it ready. Okay. Our instance is up and running. It will take 4 to 5 minutes for up and running. Okay. Now it is running and status check also to check past. Okay. Let's add that volume to the CC instance. Go to volumes. RKWin SRV01 is created with the EC2 instance, which one we created now. Okay. And it is in use. Okay. And this restore from snap one is available. We have to add this volume to new instance. We have created it from snapshot. Okay. And we are going to attach this volume to our new instance. Okay. Just select it. Click on actions. Attach volume. and search volume here. See, archive in SRV04 is running. For attaching a root volume, we have to stop the instance. For attaching a secondary volume, we don't need to stop the instance. So right now it is running. So I will attach it. Okay. And device name I will keep by default. For root volume, we have to set that /dev/std1. But secondary volume we don't need to set. We'll go with default. Okay. Click attach volume. See, successfully attached volume. You go now both volume in use. If you go to ec2 dashboard or instances, open instance and go to storage. Still it is showing one value. Just refresh it. Refresh once. Why block storage? Think it will take some time for get update. See, it will appear here as a secondary drive. XVDF, device name is XVDF, and this is our root value. Okay, let's log in into the instance now. Instances, select instance, connect. DP client, download remote desktop file. Okay, open the remote desktop file. Till the time we will get the password here from keep here. Select keep here. Decrypt password. Copy password. Okay, just connect it. Put the password here. Click on S. Okay, we are logging in. Go to Explorer and check the drive. Is it available there? Only C drive is showing here. We have to check in disk management. Right click on Windows. Go to disk management. Okay, here both drives saving, but the disk one is showing offline. So just right click on it and select online. Okay, now it is online. Go back to the Explorer now. See, D drives appear here. We have successfully attached a secondary drive. It's a snapshot value. Okay, let's open it. Users, desktop. See, we have files here. We have successfully restored. Hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment and share with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe RK IT Help Desk. Thank you for watching.